Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Husnul Khotimah. I'm student in Vocational Education Department of Graduate Program, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. Today I'm gonna show you about my research. My research is validation of voice recognition in various Google Voice language using voice recognition module V3 based on microcontroller. One form of dynamic technological development is voice recognition technology. Voice recognition uses biometric system from the human voice. Everyone has their own characteristic biometrics, such as ranging from fingerprint, retina, face, signature, and then recognition. Voice recognition can recognize a person's voice so that it can be used to facilitate and assist in doing a job more efficiently. Next. Voice recognition can be developed and applied to support the automation of household appliances, starting from cooling the room automatically with air conditioner or fan, and then turning on the automatic television or radio, and the last, turning on the lamp automatically, and the others. So it can increase the safety, comfort, and energy saving in the home. Not only that, voice recognition can also be applied to wheelchairs with disability. The operation of this system does not require a lot of energy. Voice recognition in meeting biometric requirements is done by matching the user voice with the validated voice. This research used Google Voice with the various languages in the world with the voice command lights on, which means turning on the lights automatically, and lights off means turning off the lights automatically. Materials and method. In a sound recognition system, there are three main blocks to form the system, namely the input block, the output, and the process or the program. The input block functions as a sensor that is used to detect the input sound. A sound detection sensor can be a microphone. A voice recognition system would work well in processing sound when using the same sound sampling as the sound recording process. Data output from the microphone will be forwarded to the voice recognition module. Next. Voice recognition, also known as speaker recognition, is designed to recognize who is the person who is speaking. Voice recognition module V3 is a voice recognition module and can be used in many control applications that require detection. The working system of this module can be used in conjunction with the Arduino microcontroller board. In voice recognition module V3, voice commands are stored in a large group such as a library. Voice recognition only limits 7 voice commands, which can be imported effectively and simultaneously. However, during voice training, using voice recognition module V3 can be up to active voice trained using a group that one of the voice trained instead of a group. Next. Method. This study used a waterfall development method that consists of system analysis, design, implementation, and testing. In the system of analysis, voice commands are used as codes to turn on the lights and turn off the lights automatically. voice command use as samples the words lights on to turn on automatic lights and lights off to turn off lights automatically. The word command that will be used consists of 9 languages in the world that are chosen randomly and based on the availability of Google Voice. Those languages are Indonesian, English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Swedish, Italian, Latin, and Germany. Okay, next, this is a system block diagram. The input block consists of a microphone that is used to detect the sound that will be forwarded to the voice recognition module V3. It also serves to match the voice command coming out of the microphone with the voice command database stored in the voice recognition module V3. Next, it will be processed the process block, which is used to process the power from the voice recognition module output V3. Next, the component in charge is the Arduino Uno Atmega 328 microcontroller. There is a serial communication between Arduino Uno with voice recognition module V3. In this system, the output block consists of a LED lamp that is connected to pin 310 for the positive LED legs and ground for the negative LED leg. The LED lights function as automatic indicator lights which are controlled by Arduino Uno platform. Also, the output block consists of an LCD liquid crystal display and it is connected serially with Arduino. Next, this is the component used by the system in this research. The first is voice recognition module V3, and then Arduino Uno Atmega 328 LED, LCD, microphone, and handphone. The software that has been used in this research is the Arduino IDE only. Okay, the next is the flowchart of this research. Testing the success rate of detecting voice command by influencing the distance and volume of Google Voice in 9 languages. This study takes the variable distance between the microphone and the speaker of the Android mobile that contains Google Voice as much as 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 15 centimeters. And then the variable volume of voice command on Google Voice by 30%, 50%, and 100%. The testing phase carried out each of the 10 voice commands, while the control variable in this study is the use of Google Voice is more reliable and is considered to be the voice of an expert in language used from various words. Other control variables are the position of the microphone and the speaker of the Android mobile that are straight facing or line of sight, so that the possibility of noise is very small. Next. Okay, this is a result of this research. This is a prototype of automatic lamp-based voice recognition with the description. Number 1 is power. Number 2 is lamp on. Number 3 is lamp off. And then number 4 is microphone. Testing is done by sampling 10 times for each language and variable according to the table. And this is the table 1, the success rate of voice command at a distance of 5 cm. Based on table 1, the result can be obtained that the success rate of voice command at a distance of 5 cm with a full volume 100% reach 100% for all language tests both for the voice command 1 and command 2. While the success rate of voice command with a half volume or 50% reach 100% for all language tests except Swedish at 19% in command 1 and Chinese Chinese at 0% in command 2. Yes, this is. It has happened because the Chinese pronunciation of the word see me has a double vowel, so the pronunciation is unclear. The percentage 0% also occur in Chinese when the 30% volume is governed by the two votes. And then next, the success rate of voice command using the voice recognition module V3 with the distance between the microphone and the speaker of the Google Voice by 10 cm, also in table 2. Nah, based on table 2, the result can be obtained that the success rate of voice command at a distance of 10 cm with a full volume or 100% volume reach 100% for all language tests both for the voice command 1 and command voice 2. While the success rate of voice command with a half volume or 50% in command 1 reach 100% in English and then Korean and then Italian. Percentage of 90% in Indonesia, Chinese, while Japanese by 40% in command 1. Swedish, Latin, and German show a percentage of 0%. Okay, the result of the percentage of the success rate of voice command using the voice recognition module V3 with the distance between the microphone and the Google Voice speaker by 10 cm. And then we go to the table of 15 cm. Nah, this is a table 3 with the success rate of voice command at a distance of 15 centimeters. Based on table 3, the result can be obtained that the success rate of voice command a distance 15 centimeters with a full volume 100% reach 100% for all test language, and then the 30% and half a volume at 0%. So we can based on the result we can conclusion that the volume of the Google Voice on the handphone is directly proportional to the percentage of the success rate of voice command. If the volume of Google Voice is greater, then the percentage of the success rate of voice command will be higher. When the volume of Google Voice, the percentage of the rate decreases, the success of voice command will be low. So the best volume is a large volume. while the research of testing the distance of the microphone with Google Voice is inversely proportional. The greater distance of the microphone from the voice of Google Voice results in a lower percentage of the success of voice command. If the distance between the microphone and Google Voice is getting smaller, the percentage of the success rate of voice command is higher. So the best distance of the test voice recognition module V3 is the closest distance within a large volume. Next, the module can function well at a distance of 5 cm even though with a Google Voice volume of 30%, except in Chinese because the vowel pronunciation of the word is less clear or vague. Vocal clarity of voice command pronunciation affect the success rate of command voice. All languages are detected when the volume is increased to 100% even at any distance. Success will decrease if the volume is reduced to 50% and 30% in some languages such as Chinese and Swedish. This study contributes to an understanding of the validation of voice recognition through Google Voice using the microcontroller based voice recognition module V3. Furthermore, this research used standard Google Voice and there was no noise in it, so it could be concluded that the research result was more reliable. So, thanks for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.